back is sore just watching him do that.
Miles in back? Yeah, it's miles in.
These guys don't want to take the machines down. They're worried about the dirt and stuff.
Want to rate somebody?
77. Up there, 85.7 on the radar.
Woody negotiating who we can pick on here. Oh, those people are right to the There goes Woody. There we go. Here comes the race. Oh, and it's a cakewalk. So what do you have to say for yourself?
That was fun. I would have got him right off the start. I just missed it by like a quarter of a second there. I would have had him, no problem.
Sore loser.